To make sure your clipper blades give you the smooth haircut you are looking for every time, you need to follow a few maintenance steps after each use. Step 1. Clean the clipper blade set by brushing hair clippings and debris from the blades and carriage with the stiff brush provided. Step 2. Sanitize clipper blade set with the Wahl disinfectant. Spray with clippers facing up twice and one spray on the bottom blades with the clipper facing down. Wait 2 minutes. Step 3. Oil the clipper blade set. Hold clipper with the blade in a downward position. Place 1 drop of clipper oil in the center of the movable top blade and 1 drop of oil on each end of the top blade. Periodically add 1 drop of oil to the heel of the stationary bottom blade on each side to reduce friction. Turn clipper on and run to distribute the oil. When oil is evenly distributed, turn clipper off and wipe off excess oil with a soft cloth. Step 1. Clean. Step 2. Sanitize. Step 3. Oil. Maximizing power to the blades. To adjust power, turn power screw in clockwise direction until clipper makes a noise caused by the arm hitting the coil. Then, slowly turn the power screw out counterclockwise, just until noise stops. Then, continue turning 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn more. This is maximum power.